We at Appriss continue to honor our commitment to victims nationwide with Vine, America's leading victim notification network. As part of our commitment, we look for ways to continue to improve our service and take a victim-centered, trauma-informed approach to how we make those updates. Today, we are happy to announce the launch of the updated Vine design. The latest design was developed in part from the feedback we received directly from people who use Vine through surveys and interviews. Now, when you go to vinelink.com, you'll notice a brand new look right away, including an updated layout and new color scheme. If it's your first time on Vine, or if you want to know more about what Vine is, you can access a video. There is also information about the registration process and ways to access Vine. We've also added a section explaining about the service provider information available in Vine. This section includes resources and ways to get help in your area or nationally. Now, let's go to a specific state. For those states on the most recent version of Vine, we've updated the look of your state landing page. You can search for someone, look up registrations, or find local and national resources. There are also tutorial videos to help with features like creating an account, registering for notifications, and searching for service providers. You'll also see content directly related to your state, such as helpful links, downloads, and news. If you ever need help using Vine, we're available over the phone 24 hours a day in over 200 languages. We understand that people who use Vine may be coming to our site during times of trauma or stress. Our goal is to empower everyone to easily find information, take action, and ultimately find peace of mind. The new design and resources are now live on the site, so visit vinelink.com today.